So then guys, watch how bright this light goes. Wow, that is stunning. That bright floodlight you just saw on that camera there was on the Tapo C615F, a kit from TP-Link Tapo. It's a completely wire-free, solar-powered security camera designed to protect your home day and night. And today I'm going to be looking at the Tapo C615F, a smart outdoor security camera that brings together battery and solar power, an 800 lumen floodlight, free AI detection, and full 360 pan and tilt control. All of this comes in at $100, making it a strong all-in-one solution if you want simple, reliable security without subscriptions or complicated wiring. Now, inside of the box, you get the camera, the floodlight mount, the solar panel with its cable, and all the screws and guides you need. Setup is super quick, and I mounted the camera in my back garden, connected up the solar panel, and added it to the Tapo app in just a couple of minutes. Like I said before, there's no need for a power outlet at all. No cables needed whatsoever. And guess what? Just 45 minutes of sunlight per day is enough to keep this camera powered. Holding the camera unit just here, it feels super solid and it's weather sealed and ready for outdoor use all year round. And at night, the camera uses its 800 lumen floodlight to illuminate the area where motion is detected. It turns on instantly and gives you a clear, bright view of your space. In the app, you can adjust the brightness, timing, or turn the light on manually. And there's also a built-in siren that you can enable if you want an extra layer of deterrence. Have a listen right here. And the big advantage of this camera is that all the AI detection features are completely free. The camera can automatically identify people, like it's spotting me right here. It can also identify pets or vehicles and send you instant notifications. In the app again, you can choose specific detection zones. So if you want to monitor the areas you want, like I don't need to detect the sky here. Alerts come through clearly in the app with labels like person detected, and you can view and replay through local storage or Tapo Cloud if you decide to use it. The C615F kit is also one of the few battery power cameras out there that offers full 360-degree pan and tilt movement, and you can manually control the view from the Tapo app or enable auto tracking, which follows movement automatically. And then turning on track specific activity gives you the smoothest tracking and helps keep the subject centered as it moves. It's especially useful if you want to monitor a large garden area with just one camera. This camera is part of the wider Tapo smart home ecosystem, which has more than 38 million users worldwide. It works alongside, say, Tapo lights, plugs, and other cameras, all controlled through the same app. And because Tapo is a smart home brand from TP-Link, the world's #1 Wi-Fi device provider, you also get the benefit of stable connectivity and reliable performance. So, to sum this up, the Tapo C615F kit gives you wireless-free solar and battery power, a bright 800 lumen floodlight, and an optional alarm, free AI detection, and full 360-degree viewing with auto tracking, all for less than $100. So if you're looking for an affordable, dependable, outdoor security upgrade here, this is definitely one to consider. And you can check out the link below for the Tapo C615F kit from TP-Link Tapo. And on that note as well, guys, is this something, a camera that you would definitely check out? Well, let me know in the comments below. And on that note as well, guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, please do press the like button. As always, if you want to hear the latest technology news, reviews, and comparisons, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell too. Until next time, guys, I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye bye.